Student, today we will learn about how to draw diagram of brain. Human brain diagram will be prepared here. Okay, it is very simple diagram. First of all, we have to make a round structure. Okay, a round structure, roughly spherical, and its bottom starts from here. Okay, now we will make its boundary, double boundary, because we know there are three meanings of brain, that are dura mater, pia mater and arachnoids. Okay, so here this is two membranes. Okay, again we will draw another line. We can make it closer. Okay, so here we go, third boundary, so that wall should not go anywhere. Alright friends, this is the third boundary. Okay, now let's start. Today in this lockdown, we have seen some boys starting to fly kite. So before fly kite, we will see a swimming pool. We will make a small pool like this and this. This will be a small pond like structure. Have you made it? I think you are making with me. Here is a pond like structure. Now we want to draw a kite. Means we will fly a kite. So let's start making a teddy medi kite. Okay. So its manja will go downward and it's too long kite. Here it's stayed. Alright. As you know, kite is mostly flight in Gujarat. So let's make a small map of Gujarat, making its mouth like structure. Okay, let's close this kite so that anyone should not take it from us. So let's close this swimming pool and our kite. Okay, so let's close it and stop it at here. Now we will make some clouds in this drawing so that our kite will feel good to draw. Okay, so let's make some clouds. You can make as your imagination some clouds like structure, some round structure. So here is this. Now by flying kite, I'm feeling hungry, so I would like to get a vegetable, and this vegetable is my favorite vegetable, that is cauliflower. Truly speaking, I don't like too much, but it's okay. Here we require this, so we have to make it favorite. Okay, so here we can make it a tree like structure, or we can say cauliflower like structure. Let's make its boundary also. It will have three branches like structures or flower like structures. Let's make some branches in it. Okay, so here we go. And you will make some little linings into it so that this diagram will be completed. So easy na? Okay, now let's level it. For leveling, brain is present in skull, so we will write it here skull, or we can also say it cranium. Okay, here this is cerebrum. The largest part of our brain is cerebrum. Okay, this upper part is called, this one is midbrain. This is midbrain. And the lower part is this hypothalamus. We will write it here, hypothalamus. Okay, now this mutter like shape, pea like shape, this will be known as pituitary gland, master gland, pituitary gland. Okay, let's move ahead. Our hindbrain has 3 parts, that are, we will write in sequence. Here is pons, P-O-N-S. Here is cerebellum. This is cerebellum. Cerebellum. Cerebellum, and this lower part is called medulla. This is medulla. And the again lower part is spinal cord. This is the last part of the brain. It is changed into spinal cord. So in this way our brain is diagrammed in a easy way. You can make it more beautiful